Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you probable weightage for the chemistry in MHT-CET 2021. Myself, Dr. P.V. Gaikwad, I am Assistant Professor from Annasaheb Dange College of Engineering and Technology, ASTA. Outline of my presentation is pattern of MHT-CET examination and best probable mark distribution for chemistry in MHT-CET 2021. Paper pattern, as you all of know, that paper first is of chemistry and physics, time duration 90 minutes, marks 100, and paper second it is of mathematics, time duration 90 minutes, marks 100. There is no negative marking for the MHT-CET examination. Mass distribution among the physics chemistry is as 50-50. So 50 marks for physics and 50 marks for chemistry. Here you will find that in 11th and 12th science, the probable or approximate distribution of the marks according to the previous 5 years question papers is for 11th science, maximum 10 marks question will be there, and for 12th science chemistry 40 marks questions will be there. Each question carries 1 marks, so totally it will become 50 marks. Same you can discuss about the physics, but for mathematics 10 questions from 11th, 14 from 12th science, but each question carries 2 marks, so it is of 100 marks. Time duration is the same for both the papers, that is of 19 minutes. Mass distribution amongst this 11th and 12th science syllabus as a 10 and 40 for chemistry may vary. The syllabus of the 11th standard, which is considered for the MHT-CET, reduced syllabus of 12th science chemistry you have to consider, and if you consider both that 11th standard and 12th standard syllabus, 9 plus 16, that is 25 units or chapters are there which you have to prepare for the MHT-CET 2021. But for 12th science, you are going to consider reduced syllabus. If you discuss the 11th science chemistry syllabus of the for MHT-CET, then total 9 chapters are there. The approximate weightage for these 9 chapters is of 10 marks. First topic is some basic concepts of chemistry. It is for 1 mark. Probable type of a question which may be asked is numerical question. Then second unit, structure of atom. It is again for 1 mark. The probable type of a question which will come is a theoretical. How we have decided that 1 mark numerical question will be there, 1 mark theoretical question will be there. So this depends on the previous 5 years question papers. Then next topic, chemical bonding. Again you will find that it is for 1 mark. Again the theoretical question is there. Similar in case of that redox reactions. Then elements of group 1 and 2, 1 mark question or theoretical question will be there. The next unit, states of matter, gaseous and liquids, 1 mark theoretical question will be there. The next unit, adsorption and colloids, surface chemistry. This unit will be for 1 mark. Again that question is theoretical. Then hydrocarbons it is there. It is for 1 mark. And last, basic principles of organic chemistry. It may be for 1 mark. So almost all the units from the 11th standard, starting from that some basic concepts of the chemistry till that basic principles of the organic chemistry, you will find that each unit is considered for a 1 mark. This is approximate marking for these all 11 standard units. This is not a fixed marking, but while giving the examination, you have to take care that you must know the probable weightage for the syllabus of the chemistry. And similarly, if we discuss the 12th science chemistry syllabus for MHT-CET, total 16 chapters are there, approximately for 40 marks. So here you will find that first unit is solid state. It is for 1 mark. The probable type of the question on the solid state is numerical. Then second, solutions. Again, it is for 1 mark. Then third, ionic equilibrium. It is for 1 mark. It is previously known as a chemical equilibrium. At that time, you will find that, or there you have to notice that 2 marks question will be there from 11 and 12 science. Then chemical thermodynamics, 1 mark question it is there. Then electrochemistry. So this is important one. You will find here that in last or previous 5 years examination, electrochemistry 2 marks questions will be there. 2 different questions they have asked on this electrochemistry unit. So it is important in case if you are preparing in these days or last days or in these last 15 days, if you are preparing for the MHT-CET, then these 2 marks units are important. You have to focus on these types of the units. The next unit, chemical kinetics, it is for 1 marks. You have to prepare for all types of the questions from that chemical kinetics, like first order reaction, zero order reaction, what is pseudo first order reaction, like that you have to prepare. Then elements of group 16, 17 and 18. Previously it is known as a P block elements, but now you have to prepare for 16, 17 and 18. So probably type of the question, it may be theoretical, and this unit is for 1 mark. The next unit, transition and inner transition elements. Here you will find that I have highlighted this for 2 marks as it is considered as one of the important units from the 12th science syllabus, and you will find that 3D series, that is first transition series, as well as the F block elements, that is actinoids, lanthanides and actinoids, both will be there. So you will find that different types of the questions can be asked on this transition and inner transition elements. It is for 2 marks. The next, coordination compounds. Again, you will find that this unit or the questions asked on this unit maximum 2 marks they are going to ask. So again, coordination compound is one of the prime or important unit. Then halogen derivatives, it is asked for 1 mark. Then alcohol, phenol and ether, they are going to ask for 1 mark. Alcohol, phenol and ether, they have asked it for 1 mark. You will find that at least one question it is there based on alcohol, phenol and ether. The next is aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids. So 2 to 3 marks questions you will find for last 5 years examination, aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. So this unit is again important. You while preparing for aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid, you have to maintain one sequence, then it will become easy to understand the reactions of the aldehydes as well as ketones as well as the carboxylic acid. How functional groups are going to play their roles in aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acids, on that also you have to focus. So it is for 2 to 3 marks. So you may highlight this unit as one of the important unit. The next unit, amines, you will find that a 1 mark question it is there, regular one. Then 1 mark question they will ask on the biomolecules. Similarly, for introduction or on that introduction to polymer chemistry, on this unit they are going to ask the 2 marks question. Why there is a 2 marks question on this introduction to polymer chemistry? You will find that this is more applicative unit. So wherever applications are there, on the basis of that they may ask or they may focus more questions. So that's why introduction to the polymer chemistry, So you will find that 2 marks or 2 different questions will be there on this unit. The next, green chemistry and nanochemistry. It is for a 1 mark. So green chemistry and nanochemistry, it is for 1 mark. Previously it is there, but in reduced syllabus you will find that they have reduced few of the content from this unit, but still you may prepare it for 1 mark unit. So this is about the probable mass distribution of the chemistry for upcoming MHT-CET, which you are going to face probably in September 2021. Hope you are understanding this, and if you have any query, you may contact on this mail. You may subscribe the channel Basics of the Chemistry. To watch this video, you are going to subscribe the channel Basics of the Chemistry. Thank you. Thanks a lot.